Ladies and gentlemen, Patrick's and Son. We're at the Santa Ana Police for a classic car show set up today, Sunday, September 21st. So we got a full setup right here. Right early in the morning. I got here at 5:30 this morning with my boys.
JC, play a little something, come on. Go Max, go Max, go Max. Here we go. 'Cause I'm up on the letter, honey. What I got is less than money. All night long. Come on up, boy, don't be late. What I got for you won't wait. All night long. Climb up on the ladder, don't stop. My lips waiting when you reach the top. All night long. I'm gonna give it to you. Hey, I'm gonna give it to you. Should give it up to you. I'm gonna keep it with the old school. Come on. You feeling it, Max? You feeling good? You feeling good? You getting tired? Are you getting tired? All right. We're still boogieing it up, right?
Yeah, we are.
All right. All right, guys, break it down. Come on. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, love 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 when I think about you. My feelings can't explain why after all this time my heart still feels pain when I look at you. Memories of love like no one before. You stay on my mind. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, love Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, love Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, love Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, love. Saturday love, Saturday love, Saturday love. I'm up on the letter, honey. What I got is better than money. All night long. Come on up, boy, don't be late. What I got for you won't wait. All night long. Climb up on the ladder, don't stop. My lips waiting when you reach the top. All night long. I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give it to you. Shoot it up to you. out there? We're partying it up at 8 in the morning. You feeling good? Feeling good? That's right. You ready to dance to some cumbias?
Yeah.
You know how to dance to cumbia? Oh, okay. Oh, show me your moves. Yeah, there you go. You got the moves. We're gonna switch it up to some cumbias, if that's okay with you. Let's go. Now, my Mexicanos, I need everybody to put your hands up. Come on, Max. Clap, 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 clap. Hey, hey. Souffle, souffle. That's right, Max. No te asombres si te digo lo que fuiste. Un ingrato con mi pobre corazón. I'm satisfied. I'll stand it. Boy, you knock me out. You know, you knock me out. Excited. I'm so excited, baby. It makes me wanna shout. Hey, outstanding. I really love the way you love me, boy. Boy, you knock me out. You know, you knock me out. Excited. I'm so excited, baby. Come on, Jesse, play us a little something. Come on, JC, sing it with me. Hey. Come on, hey. Outstanding. Boy, you knock me out. You know, you knock me out. Exciting. It makes me wanna shout. Outstanding. I really love the way you love me, boy. Boy, you know, you knock me out. Santa Ana, how you doing? We're gonna keep it with the old school. Hey, come on. Taking it back to the old school, a little Rick James for you. When I came home last night, you wouldn't make love to me. You were fast asleep. You wouldn't even talk to me. You said I'm so crazy. I thought you knew that, baby. Coming home intoxicated. I said I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you, boy. This is why I'm so elated. Come on now, give it to me, baby. Oh. me, baby. I'll make you hot till I've had enough. Give it to me, baby. 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 I'll make you hot till I've had enough. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that sweetness and that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that sweetness and that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that sweet funky. Oh, hey! Super freak. That was a super freak. Yeah, yeah. Super freak. That girl's a super freak. When I was high as the sky, so high, so high. Out all night just dancing. I said, let's go home. I don't wanna go home. Hey. That's the time I start romancing. I said, how can I love you? How can I love you, boy? When your body keeps on moving. I said, wait till I squeeze you. Wait till I squeeze you, baby. This is why I'm so elated. Come on now, give it to me, baby. Hey! Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. I'll make you want till I've had enough. Give it to me, baby. 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 I'll make you want till I've had enough. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that sweetness and that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that sweetness and that funky stuff. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me that stuff, that sweet funky. Oh, hey, come on. Super freak. That girl's a super freak. Yeah. Super freak. Give it to me, what you say? Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me, what you say? Give it to me right away. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me, what you say? Give it to me right away. Give it to me. Give it to me, what you say? Give it to me right away. Give it to me. Come on, party people, make some noise. We're gonna keep it with some Rick James. Here we go, come on. When I was a young boy, growing up in the ghetto, hanging out on corners, singing with the fellas, looking for the cute chicks, trying to find some big fun, looking for some trouble, if anyone could give me some. I was going crazy in the ghetto. I didn't know what my life could be in the ghetto. I was longing, oh, so lazy. Something had a spell on me in the ghetto. You wanna what I'm talking about? I'm talking about ghetto life. Ghetto life. You wanna what I'll sing about? Ghetto life. When I was a young, kind of free and fancy, met this little cute girl. She said her name was Nancy. She had pigtails to her shoulders, much older. She taught me what I had to know to make a girl not wanna go. She was kinda kinky in the ghetto. She laid her pigtails down on me in the ghetto. I was young and oh so lazy. Something had a spell on me. Give it to me, what you say? Give it to me right away. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me, what you say? Give it to talking to your best friend. You're not satisfied, things ain't going right with your girlfriend. So you're searching for someone new, someone to hold me tight, someone to treat you right. 'Cause your girlfriend's a friend of mine. Here's my number and a time. Call me anytime. Call me if you need someone to talk to. Call me, satisfaction guarantee. Call me if you need someone to talk to. Call me, hey, call me. She wasn't good to you, wasn't rude to you, don't like to do the things you like to do. She wasn't good to you, wasn't rude to you, don't like to do the things you like to do. Well, I've been watching you, boy, and I got what you want, I got what you need. 'Cause your girlfriend's a friend of mine. Here's my number and a time. Call me anytime. Call me if you need someone to talk to. Call me, satisfaction guarantee. Call me if you need someone to talk to. Call me, hey, call me. Sonana, make some noise! That's right. Partying it up at 9 in the morning. Hey! Well, I've been watching you, boy, and I got what you want, I got what you need. 'Cause your girlfriend's a friend of mine. Here's my number and a time. Call me anytime. Yeah. Call me, satisfaction guarantee. Call me if you need someone to talk to. Call me, hey, call me if you need someone to talk to. Call me, satisfaction guarantee. Call me if you need someone to talk to. Call me, hey, call me. Oh, yeah. Hey, come on, Max, get down. Hey. Woo. All right. Vamos a seguir con las cumbias. Hey, anything for Selena. Yo sé que tienes un nuevo amor, sin embargo deseo lejos te llevas mi corazón. No sé si pueda volver a amar, porque te di todo el amor que pude dar. Como la flor, con tanto amor me diste tú. Ese amarillito me marcha hoy y yo sé perder, pero ay, cómo me duele, ay, cómo me duele, ay, cómo me duele. 4, 3, 2, 1. ¡Hey! ¡Hey! Saborcito. A ver, vámonos a bailar. If you're awake, come on. Mi madera que nos viene ahogando, la gente se preocupa, nadie sabe qué. Un carro viejo que viene pitando, con llantas de tres y con motor al revés. En la esquina yo esperando, como siempre su novia fiel. Mis amigas se están burlando, murmuran cosas Cargacha, paso a pasito, no es tambalear. Cargacha, poco a poquito, no nos vayas a dejar. Cargacha, paso a pasito, no es tambalear. Cargacha, poco a poquito, no nos vayas a dejar. Y de muchas veces me arrepiento y tampoco me avergüenzo yo de mi galán. Fue metiendo carro viejo, me trato como reina, hombre de verdad. Y aunque tenga una carcacha, lo que importa es que voy con él. Tampoco será más guapo, pero sí es mi novio. Oh, yeah. Au, cargacha, paso a pasito, no es tambalear. Cargacha, poco a poquito, no nos vayas a dejar. Cargacha, paso a pasito, no es tambalear. Cargacha, poco a poquito, no nos vayas a dejar. Cada vez que lo veo pasar, mi corazón se enloquece y me empieza a palpitar. Se emociona, ya no razona, no lo puedo controlar. Biri, biri, bam, bam, oh, oh, oh. Y se emociona, ya no razona y me empieza a cantar. Me canta así, así. Biri, biri, bam, bam, biri, biri, bam, bam, biri, 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 bam, bam, biri, 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 biri. Cada vez que lo oigo hablar, escucha esa canción, mi corazón quiere cantar así. Oh, me canta así, me canta a ti, cada vez que lo veo pasar. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, na, 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 na. Mi corazón se enloquece cada vez que lo veo pasar y me empieza a palpitar así, así. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh na na yeah, yeah. Seguimos con sabor. Come on, Max, put your hands up. Ready to clap. Hey, 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 hey. Siento algo que me mueve, un ritmo que me hace bailar. Tomen todos su pareja, todos vamos a gozar, bailar, baila esta cumbia, mueve, mueve la cintura, todos, las manos en alto y grite, grite con locura. Saborcito. Baila, baila esta cumbia, un ritmo, ritmo sin igual, nadie se quede sentado, todos vamos a bailar. Siento algo que me mueve, un ritmo que me hace bailar. Tomen todos su pareja, todos vamos a gozar, bailar, baila esta cumbia, mueve, mueve la cintura, todos, las manos en alto y grite. One more time, Max, come on. Hey, 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 hey. Baila, baila esta cumbia, un ritmo, ritmo sin igual, nadie se quede sentado, todos vamos a bailar. Yeah, yeah. Come on, Max, get down. Eh, eh. Baila, 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 baila. That's right, party people, make some noise. Give me 5, Max. Give me 5. That's right.
Everybody, we got a face painting, we got free backpacks, we got free shoes, we got a raffle coming, so we got all the vendors here. Show some support. Thank you all for coming out. I hope you guys are enjoying it.
What's up? What's up? Are you guys having a good time? I can't hear you guys. Come on, let's get louder. All right. You guys ready to dance?
We're gonna continue with the cumbias. Get it, Max. Hey. Vamos a bailar.
La otra que te esperé bajo las 2 horas, 1000 horas, como un quiero. Hace frío, estoy lejos de casa. Hace tiempo que estoy sentado sobre esta piedra. Yo me pregunto, ¿para qué sirven las guerras? Cohete en el pantalón, vos estás tan fría como la nieve a mi alrededor. Vos estás tan blanca y ya no sé qué hacer. La otra noche te esperé bajo la lluvia 2 horas, 1000 horas, como un perro. Cuando llegaste me miraste, me dijiste, loco, estás mojado, ya no te quiero. Cohete en el pantalón, vos estás tan fría como la nieve a mi alrededor. Vos estás tan blanca y ya no sé qué hacer. La otra noche te esperé bajo la lluvia 2 horas, 1000 horas, como un perro. Cuando llegaste me miraste, me dijiste, loco, estás mojado, ya no te quiero.
Make some noise. All right, I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna slow it down, Max, if you wanna go. I don't know, it's gonna be a little slow. How are you guys feeling out there? Once again, my name is Rosie Cortez, and these are my fellas. We're so happy to be here in my hometown of Santana. We're gonna do a little two-step. Come on, Max. Tanto tiempo disfrutamos de este amor, nuestras almas se secaron, tanto así que yo guardo tu sabor, pero tú llevas también sabor a mí. Si negaras mi presencia, tu vivir bastaría con abrazarte, conversar. Tanta vida yo te di que por fuerza tienes ya sabor a mí. No pretendo no sé si tenga amor la eternidad, pero allá tan como aquí, en la boca llevarás sabor a mí. No pretendo ser tu dueña, no soy nada, yo no tengo vanidad de mi vida, doy lo bueno, soy tan pobre que otra cosa puedo dar, más de 1000 años, muchos más. Yo no sé si tengan amor eternidad, pero allá tan como aquí, en la boca llevarás sabor a mí. Sabor a mí. Sabor, sabor a mí. Oh, sabor, sabor a mí. Oh, that's right. Make some noise. Let's go, fellas. We're here to wake you up. Come on. Come on, Max. A ver las chonas. We come out in the mornings too. Vámonos.
Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Jonah. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Jonah. Su marido dice ya no sé qué hacer con ella. Ya no va a los bailes y se compra una botella. Ya no va a los bailes y se compra una botella. Se arranca la banda con la primera canción. Y la Jonah luego busca bailador. No se mueve, al ritmo que le toque, él va de todo, nunca pierde su toque, dale. Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Jonah. Todos la conocen que le toque. Ella baila de todo, nunca pierde su trote. Dale. La chona se mueve y la gente le grita, no mejor que la chona, para la que lo grita. Y la chona se mueve, al ritmo que le toque. Ella baila de todo, nunca pierde su trote.
How you feeling? You guys feeling good out there? I'm breaking a sweat. I did my cardio for the morning already. Y seguimos con el baile. Vámonos.
Y le seguimos con Rosie Cortez and the fella. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Get it, Max. How's everybody feeling? You feeling good? My name is Rosie Cortez, and these are the fellas. I want to thank the city of Santana for having us here today. This is our last song before we turn it over to the DJ and bring up Las Catrinas. If you had a good time with us, make some noise, you guys. Thank you so much for having us. Hey! Thank you, Ismael and El Costal Entertainment. Come on. Party people, make some noise! Thank you so much. You guys make some noise for Max over here, my little dancing partner. Thank you, Max. Have a good day, everybody. conversar, tanta vida yo te di y en la boca llevarás sabor a mí. No pretendo ser tu dueña, no soy nada, yo no tengo vanidad de mi vida, todo puedo, soy tan pobre que una cosa pasará. No pretendo ser tu dueña, no soy nada, yo no tengo vanidad de mi vida, pero bueno, soy tan pobre que una cosa puede pasará, muchos más. Yo no sé si tengamos una eternidad, pero eterna como aquí, en la boca llevarás sabor a mí, sabor a mí. Gracias, thank you.
So without the help, I couldn't do this gig by myself. Yep. Got me a helper. That would be. Let's see who gets this one here. Look at that. My helper. Pay him on the spot. You better pay tax on that.
Okay, I'm gonna lose half of this then. Might as well rip it in half.
So how did you earn that?
I carried heavy stuff and I put it back down.
Carry what stuff?
Heavy music equipment and the like. Everything needed for bands. 2 bands actually.
Yeah. This is Patrick's and Sons Pro PA Rental. Put them to work early, so they know making money is not easy. All right, until next time. For today, I'll pack up to go and ready for the next gig. Yeah. Patrick's and Son PA Rental. That's son number 1, and son number 2 is rolling up. We're going home. Son number 2.